Okay, well, now I'm gonna try and do this. I don't even know what I look like, so I'm gonna stand right here. How's that? There we go. I have no idea how that thing works. The camera, that is, that thing. Anyways, thought I'd give you a little bit of a review. Not sure if you can see this. I'll walk up here a little closer and show you that profile. If it'll focus, I'm not sure. Let me look and see. Yeah, kind of. You can see what it looks like there. That's a little glide that I bought for the 10 series, and it's actually from 8020. A lot of the other companies won't actually provide some of the specialty equipment, so I'm having to buy from a few different companies to try and keep the cost down. So this is my bedside cabinet. There's two of these, of course, one on one side, one on the other side. The bed slides in the center. Cabinet is a solid side. The bed will actually be up to probably about this height here. So you won't even see a lot of this. That's just to contain everything inside. Here's the beauty of this little piece, is it actually fits inside the track, just like so. There you go. And so what we've got is we've got solid sections here. I'll have a counter, not this piece. I've only kind of just set it here to show you what I'm doing. So I'll have something that matches probably our countertop in our kitchen. That will be here, piece of Corian or something like that. That's what I'm thinking. And so to access the cabinet, because it's going to be right up against the wall, all we'll do is just slide it open. Reach in, grab whatever we need, clothing-wise, slide it back. So simple. They slide really well. They've got two little small mounting holes in them. I'm not sure if you can see that. And they're quite expensive. I think two of them are like, $8. So, or $8, $8, I don't know, whatever you call it. I'm in Canada, so I usually call them dollars. I guess, maybe I don't. I don't know. I say dollars, I say bucks. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, they're pretty cool. So that's what'll happen is they'll just slide open, and then we can reach inside, grab our stuff, slide it closed. There'll be another one on this side here that'll slide also. You'll notice that this is basically the same size as the center. So we'll be able to slide into the center here, like so, and then reach in. There'll be a cover on this side. Also going to have a couple of these dual USB, whatever it is, charger units. There's going to be one right here so we can charge our devices at night. And there'll be another one here right in the face, because our dinette will be right in front of us in case we want to plug in there. So, Romeo Small Patrick's doing our adventure truck build series, I guess is what you call this. I'm not sure. I'm just showing you what I'm doing because, it's pretty useful information. It takes a long time to figure this all out. Over and out. Best of luck.